What if I told you this is the quickest mushroom masala you'll ever make and also the most flavorful? This is my go-to when I want something fast but still crave the deep, rich Indian flavor. Start by washing and chopping your mushrooms, and then in a blender goes fried onions, ginger, garlic, green chilies, fresh coriander, and curd. Blend this together into a smooth, creamy base. Pour this on the mushrooms along with some basic spices like turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and some kasturi methi along with salt. Mix it well and let it marinate for just 10 to 15 minutes because the curd gently tenderizes the mushrooms while the spices penetrate deep inside. So every bite hits harder, richer, and more layered. Now for the magic. Heat oil, add cumin seeds and a bay leaf. Pour the entire marinade, and here's the rule, no extra water, no stirring. You just have to cover it, keep the heat low, and let the mushroom cook in their own natural juices. 10 minutes. That's all the patience you need to create this recipe that tastes like it's been cooking for hours. Once done, garnish it with fresh coriander, and your restaurant style mushroom masala is ready in less than 20 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more quick recipes.